Hello everyone, myself Anirudh Dhanil Chaudhary from CSSstack.org. Today I am going to share you the 5 important things that you should consider if you really want to improve your programming skill. Watch this video till the end. I will also share one of the very important shortcut that will help you to improve your coding skill. The first thing is practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. Coding is all about the practice. You can use cssstack.org/id. This is online compiler where you can practice your coding. We support C, C++, Java, Python and Python 3 programming language. Here I am choosing Python 3. I am just writing my hello world program. You can open this IDE in your mobile as well as on your computer. Once writing the code, just click on run button and you can see that your code is getting executed, and after that you will see the output there. I will share the link of this IDE in the description below. The second thing is start building the small projects. So what happens is when you start building the small project, that's when you actually realize what are the obstacles or what are the things actually you should learn to make your programming into the actual reality. The actual aim of the coding is to build the real-time projects, and that is why it's important to start building the small project. The third thing is consistency and sticking to the one technology. Nowadays what I see is many of us get fascinated by the post on social media. So someone is working on AI, ML, data science, and what I would recommend is don't get bothered about that. Just stick to the one technology. Just when you focus on one thing, that is what you actually give your 100%, and when you feel that you are compatible with the particular technology, you can move to the another technology, but at a time just stick to the one technology or the one course. The fourth is the logic buildings. You might have seen in interviews, the interviewer mainly asks about the data structures and algorithm and logic building questions, because the data structures and logic building is more important than remembering the syntax. If you know the logic or if you know the data structures, you can write the code in any programming language. So that is why it is more important to having logic building skills rather than remembering the syntax of the code. The fifth is engage with the peoples, engage with the like-minded peoples or the people from the coding community. That is when you will get the platform to show or to share your knowledge, and you will also learn something from others. That is what you keep yourself updated. The only shortcut to improve your coding skill is to have it in your dinner. If not, follow these 5 things to improve your coding skills. This is all the 5 important skills you should remember, and you should follow this one if you really want to improve your coding skills. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.